When will I get my refund on TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The timing of when you will receive your tax refund after filing with TaxAct depends on various factors. If you filed your taxes electronically, the IRS typically processes these returns faster than paper returns. In most cases, you can expect to receive your refund within 3 weeks of IRS accepting your return. If you opted to receive your refund via direct deposit into your bank account, you will likely to get your refund faster compared to receiving a paper check in the mail. Direct deposit refunds are usually processed more quickly by the IRS. The processing time can vary throughout the tax season and are influenced by factors such as volume of returns they receive, the complexity of your return, and any errors or issues that needs to be addressed. You can check the status of your tax refund through IRS website Where's My Refund tool for updates on processing status of your refund. TaxAct will provide you the updates on the status of your refund. They will send you notifications or provide information within your TaxAct account regarding the status of your filed return and expected timing of your refund. If you have any questions or confusions, you can contact the customer support of TaxAct or IRS. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.